Earlier today, we received a letter from the office of the Vice President designating people to attend to this hearing relative to the budget of the OBP and signed by one Director for Administrative and Financial Services. Nakita po namin na hindi po USIC level si Chief of Staff Limuel Ortonio. ASIC level lang. So in comparison, the other day, yung DOTR, USIC Banoy represented DOTR and authorized by, before Secretary Vince Dizon left for DPWH, authorizing Banoy to head the delegation of the DOTR. Knowing that, and with consistent with the tradition of the House, na dapat head of agency or the very least, USIC ang pumunta dito to defend the budget of the agency. Noting the inconsistency doon sa letter, ako na mismo ang nag-advise sa kanilang umaga na wag na kayong pumunta dito dahil ganon din kung wala si Yusek Zulaika Lopez. And then I have the assurance of the Vice President na she will attend by next week. So, 3 araw lang ang meron tayo next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Therefore, since meron silang hearing sa Senado on Monday, Tuesday ang napili nila. So, ganun po ang istorya. That's why, for the record, the invitation to attend the budget hearing of the Office of the Vice President was addressed to the Honorable Vice President Sara Duterte with attention to Undersecretary Zulaika Lopez, Chief of Staff, respectfully inviting the Vice President or her duly authorized representative and the senior officials of the OBP. And after this, before 12 o'clock, I was assured that the Vice President will be present herself on Tuesday.